25 cents. There it goes. You see it? Alright, go get it.
Okay.
The water's about 3.5 feet deep. It's normally 3 feet deep, but it's a little overflowed today. You gonna go get the money? Well, maybe not now. Okay, Ethan, you gotta go get the money. I need the money to go get another beer. Beer is a euphemism for Diet Coke. Okay, go get it for me. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. And make sure the dinosaurs don't go in the skimmer. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. There. Oh, nope, not that time. You didn't make it. What happened? All right, we're gonna go this time. You ready? You see it in the middle? 1, 2, 3, go. You got it? Let me see it. Ethan, let me see it. All right. All right, we'll get one in a few minutes, okay? All right.